When did you take the time to go out in the woods to breathe in some fresh air? When did you leave your AC fresh home to go out in the woods to breathe in some light air, very light air? The labyrinth of peace, the labyrinth of calmness from the hustling and the bustling on the street. Sometimes it's just too much for the mind to contain. There is a groundbreaking, according to science. There is something called grounding. Grounding has been in existence for the longest. There have been group of people that could run miles and miles and miles barefooted, and the more they ran barefooted, the more they were purged from ailments and diseases and back pain and other ailments that plague our minds, our muscular system, because they connected with the earth. When have you lived outside of your home to connect with nature? And what is the importance of connecting with nature? We know from scientific perspective that we breathe out carbon dioxide, and we breathe in oxygen. And plants also breathe out carbon dioxide and they breathe in oxygen. So we are all interconnected in some capacity, shape, or form. Therefore, we need each other. The more you breathe in light air, the better it is for your lungs. The better it is for you to just see how light our issues and burden could be. Our world is so heavy right now with uncertainties, and we don't know the outcome of tomorrow. But I'm here to remind you that there is hope. When there is life, there is hope. So I'm encouraging you that although you know this already, I'm just reminding you that when you have time today, go where you could connect with nature. If you could walk barefooted, please do. And take your time to be conscious where you're at. And walk quietly and slowly and listen to every footsteps that you take. And as you walk, ask Mother Earth to absorb some of the energy inculcating in you. Ye be pain, ye be agony, ye be uncertainties, anything, just leave it behind. And as you breathe in this wonderful, fresh, crisp air, speak to it. Speak to it. Every air that you breathe in, speak to that air and take your time and breathe. Take your time and breathe. There is peace in nature. There is hope in nature. It helps us to reset our mind and to simply acknowledge the beauty God has blessed us with. If you can go with a friend, please do. If you could go with your dog, please do. Make sure it's peaceful for you. Make sure it's safe for you. But I am here to remind you to connect with nature if you can, when you can, because our world is so heavy right now. And breathe in fresh air and your lungs would appreciate it. And I promise you, you will never leave back the way you came. You already know this. I'm just reminding you. And if you do, leave a comment for us to know that you did. If you're already doing that, just share with us how it feels like. I am just the reminder of how great you are. We'll talk to you soon.